Hello everyone, welcome back to Integrity Foundation Repairs channel. Hey, viewers! We have some exciting news to share with you from Integrity Foundation Repair. Last week, they had an incredible week of repairing and restoring homes, focusing on ensuring the stability and strength of their foundations. If you've been struggling with foundation issues or have noticed cracks, uneven floors, or sticking doors in your home, now is the perfect time to take action. Integrity Foundation Repair is known for their expertise in the field, and they have a team of skilled professionals ready to handle any foundation repair project. From minor repairs to complete foundation replacements, they have the knowledge and experience to deliver exceptional results. What sets Integrity Foundation Repair apart is their commitment to providing personalized solutions for each homeowner. They understand that every foundation problem is unique, and they take the time to assess the specific needs of your home before recommending the best course of action. Don't let foundation issues compromise the safety and value of your home. Give Integrity Foundation Repair a call today at 817-561-6500 and schedule a consultation. Their friendly team will be happy to answer your questions and provide expert guidance. You can also visit their website at ifrdfw.com to learn more about their services and explore the resources they offer. On their website, you'll find helpful articles, customer testimonials, and a gallery showcasing their previous projects. Remember, your home's foundation is the key to its structural integrity. Don't delay in addressing any issues you may have. Contact Integrity Foundation Repair today and trust them to deliver dependable solutions for your foundation needs.